Would you recommend this course to others? Yeah, look, to be honest, I would highly recommend this course to anyone who's considering, expanding their scope and wanting to get into oral surgery, wisdom teeth extraction, atraumatic extractions, just because the principles we learn can be applied to all facets of extractions and oral surgery. It just gets your confidence up, if nothing else, to know which cases not to do and to really nail that preoperative assessment so that you're practicing safely and the patient's in safe hands.
There's definitely, anyone who wants to know more about and want to do better with the surgical extraction, definitely come for the course.
Definitely, it's very comprehensive in wisdom teeth, so if you're interested in that, then this is the course for you, and it's right here in Melbourne.
Yes, most definitely. Anyone who has even a little bit of fear of extractions, I can promise you that this will definitely alleviate your fears.
Of course I would. I now feel ready to start taking on some cases.
Definitely. Thank you.